You may have been using YouTube the wrong way. Did you know that instead of using your mouse every time to click on the panel buttons, that you can use keyboard shortcuts? Let me walk you through all the shortcuts that you probably didn't know existed. First of all, to pause and unpause the video, you can use either space or the letter K. Use the letter J to rewind 10 seconds. And the letter L to fast forward by 10 seconds. With the video paused, you can skip between each individual frames with comma for previous frame and full stop for the next frame. To change the playback speed of the video, press Shift and comma together to slow down the speed. To increase the speed, press Shift and full stop. Use the right Shift key instead of the left. It's below the Enter key. That way, you'll only use one hand. If you use the number keys, you can skip to a portion of the video, with each number representing 10% of the video's duration. Some videos are sectioned into chapters. With these, you can skip between chapters by holding Control and left arrow for previous chapter. Holding Control and right arrow will skip to the next chapter. Another cool thing that you can do with your playlists is skip back and forth between videos. Hold Shift and N for next video, and Shift plus P for previous video.
So here we go.
Moving on to changing the view mode. To change between default view and theater mode, press the T button. For full screen mode, press F. For the mini player view, press I.
Okay, this one actually is sort of
To
interesting.
mute the video, simply press the letter M.
$250 right now on their website, and it's basically a 7.
If the video supports subtitles, you can turn it on by pressing the letter C on your keyboard. Pressing the letter O will change the opacity. And pressing W will make the background of the text darker. One last thing I want to show you is how to watch videos recorded with a 360 view camera. With these videos, you can control the spatial view with WASD buttons. They are commonly used in gaming and represent the arrow keys up, down, left and right. You can also zoom in and out with the plus and minus key. If you forget any of the shortcuts, you can always find them by pressing Shift and question mark. That's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.